Stuck with a Windows update that's taking forever? Let's speed it up. Here's a quick guide to fixing slow updates on Windows 10 and 11. Press the Start button, then go to Settings, and afterwards head over to Windows Update. You can simply check for your updates, and maybe a new update will show up, so while you download and install it, ages can take until you can get to use the new version of Windows. And you might wonder, why does this happen? There's a little thing you can do in order to make this process faster. If you right-click your Windows button, head over to Task Manager in the context menu. Here, you'll be able to find a process called MoUSO Core Worker Process. So what you can do is simply right-click on this process and select End Task, and your update should happen faster. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.